bar. I love Snickers and I love Cheetos. I love
When's the last time you had Snickers?
Today.
Yeah, Pitbull would be a pit suit.
How do they know which name goes first?
I love tinfoil because if nothing else.
So it's me, Dr. Phil, and
I said soft drink.
Why is that not soft? It's not like, you know.
Just the elbow a little. You ready? Much women, ugly women are messable.
Oh, okay.
How do you know she had a dream?
she told me. He's good. Are your chairs broken?
No, I just don't have any lighting in the other place.
He had bad breath, though. I know, God rest his soul, but he had bad breath.
And you got
I really enjoy 7-Up.
Someone who probably smells just, like $1 million.
Night meatball, sweet and sour garlic bread.
okay.
Boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it. It's temporal, but there's certain aspect of ourselves that is actually eternal. And it's dualistic. So you have to have form and formless. You have to have life and death. So you have to exist eternally to exist temporal. Things. Boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it.